Hello everyone, my name is Saud Al-Mishari and today I'm going to talk about why I chose certain choices on my infographic about Sabic company. Infographics are a way to display data on the internet with a focus on what the data means and not just the numbers that are represented. There are several design principles that make the infographic successful. Formatting and coloring are considered the most important design principles. The design of the infographic is usually long and skinny, and that's what I design as you can see. First of all, I will start by justifying my color choices that I made. I chose the color yellow, blue, and white based on the company logo, where yellow stands for energy, blue stands for stability and faith, and white stands for purity and safety. I used complementary color scheme where the colors that are opposite on another on a color wheel and kept to three colors and used the 60-30-10 rule. In my infographic, I utilized the design element of alignment. Alignment is how the text and image are placed on the page. It can be horizontal, vertical, centered, or on the edge. In my project, I used to align to center and on the edge. The reason for that is to make my infographic more balanced. I also used a simple line graph, a bar graph, and a pie chart to make the data that include numbers easier to understand. As you can see, I used some focal points to grab the attention of the reader and make him interested in the meaning behind the picture. One thing I used in my infographic is number visualizing as well as isotype to represent quantities information in an easy way for the reader. Also, I used some icons to make infographic more interested and inviting people to look at it. Thank you guys for listening, and if you have any question, I'll be happy to answer.